It's easy to make cutouts for sinks and hobs in GetaCore. Here too, we recommend the use of a hand router. Jigsaws, hand saws and dimensioning saws leave rough edges, which can lead to cracks in the GetaCore material. That's why we generally recommend using the router in all cases. After milling, the edges should be rounded off with an R3 or even better an R5 radius cutter. The first step is to fix the template. With the hand router and copying ring, make the cutout in 3 depth stages. Remember to maintain the required minimum distance of 45 mm to the front edge of the worktop. The corners of the cutouts must have a minimum internal radius of R10. Applying a radius with an R3 or R5 radius cutter, followed by sanding, removes possible hairline cracks in the material. In the case of hobtops, use aluminium wool or thermostrip to seal the cut edges. The seal offers adequate protection against temperature fluctuations. Please note, when installing hobs, a minimum distance of 6.5 mm must be maintained between the hob and the worktop. The installation of flush-mounted hobs is technically possible, but due to the high risk of error, this should only be done by an experienced installer who can machine the worktop accurately. It is possible to install gas hobs. Depending on the particular model and the heat intensity, the minimum distance from the edge of the hob to the wall-back panel must be between 50 and 130 mm, depending on the particular model and the heat intensity. In the case of sink cutouts, we recommend that they should be sealed, for instance with MS polymer adhesive or a sealing compound. Using a spatula, spread the adhesive or compound over the surface of all open chipboard edges.